The correct labels of A and B and C, which are present in the graph of number of molecules on y-axis followed by speed of molecules present on the x-axis, whereas highest number of molecules are associated with some speed labeled as A, next highest and the next speeds are associated with the labels B and C. This is maximum percentage of molecules, the maximum number of molecules from the total number which are associated with the highest speed. That speed is said to be what? Most probable speed. That is said to be most probable speed, that is most probable velocity. Whereas compared to most probable velocity, the average velocity will be higher, whereas that number of molecules, current number of molecules associated with average speed will be little compared to the most probable speed, hence B stands for here average speed. B stands for what? Average speed, whereas C is highest speed, that is said to be root mean square velocity, that is RMS velocity, that is root mean square velocity. So therefore, respectively, out of ABC, which are present in the graph, A indicates the most probable speed, B indicates the average speed, because compared to most probable speed, average speed will be higher. Compared to average speed, root mean square velocity will be higher. If I write most probable speed, that will becomes equal to square root of 2RT by M. Compared to this, average speed will be higher, but net number of molecules at any instant associated with average speed will be lesser. So therefore that is 8RT by pi into M. Compared to this next speed, highest speed C, C stands for root mean square velocity, that will becomes equal to square root of 3RT by M. This number is labeled as A, and this is labeled as B, and this is labeled as what? C. Thus the highest velocity, highest number of molecules associated with some least velocity is most probable velocity. Compared to this most probable velocity, next highest velocity is associated with some minimum percentage of molecules is average velocity. Compared to average velocity, a higher velocity with lesser number of percentage of molecules is root mean square velocity. By formula wise, this will becomes equal to square root of 3RT by M.